everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariel, for those of you who don't already know me, and for those of you who have been here before, thanks for coming back. I know I have been gone for quite a while. Life, you know. So for today's video, I'm just going to be doing kind of a yellow type of eyeshadow look because yellow has kind of been the color this summer, so I've just been personally really loving yellow. So I have an eyeshadow look that I'm going to do for you guys today, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. So I'm just going to get right on into the video. If you're not already, yes, this is what we want to do. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, feel free to do so. Turn on those post notifications because I don't post all that much, so if you want to know when I do post, that's a helpful tool. So first things first, I'm going to start off by priming my skin. I'm going to be using my Becca First Light Priming Filter. This is like literally almost empty. I need a new primer pronto. Primed, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. So for eyebrows today, I'm going to be using something different than what I use in every single video. I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Brow Pencil. This is like the universal brow pencil. I got it for free, so you know, why not? And then also to help fill in like color wise, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution brow palette. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and fill in these brows. I've really been liking this brow pencil. Now, I don't really understand the concept of a universal brow pencil. This is like a taupey kind of color. So for people who have like black hair or like super blonde hair or, you know, anything like that, I don't see how this color will work for them. But it works for me, so. Because like taupe is my exact shade. Like this works for my eyebrow because this is my shade, but yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of skip through this part. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so I think my eyebrows look okay. I can never really tell if they look good or not. I kind of just do them and hope for the best. But now I'm gonna go ahead and go into my face. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics CC Cream, and this is the Illumination one. I actually tried the original one in the past and I did not like it. I don't know if it was at that time my skin was really dry or I just didn't know how to apply it correctly. Excuse me. Or if the Illumination one is just better for my skin. I'm not really sure, but I really do like this one a lot. You don't need that much at all. I just do like a tiny little half pump on like the different parts of my face, and like this is good for my entire face. So I'm going to blend, I'm going to spray my Morphe blending sponge with my Mario Badescu spray, and I'm going to blend it out with this. I've definitely been choosing a CC cream over foundation recently just because I live in Arizona and the sun is intense here. So it's always good to protect your skin, and the CC cream has SPF 50. So it's really good to have some sort of sunscreen on your face. The only thing about CC creams normally is that they are not like full coverage. I would say this is pretty light coverage. I'm sure that if you put enough of it on, you can build it up to like medium, but it definitely won't go to full coverage. But personally, I don't really care for a full coverage look recently. I don't care if you can see some of my pimples. And then for concealer today, as usual, I'm using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This is my favorite concealer because it works, it does the job, and it costs like $8. I'm not going to spend a bunch of money on a product that's not going to last me very long, like concealers or powders, because they don't really last. So I'm sorry if I haven't really been seemed like myself recently. Like normally in like some past videos and stuff, I'm like pretty goofy and like I have a pretty outgoing personality. Recently I haven't really been that way. I've just had a lot of things going on in my life that I wish weren't. going on in my life, and I've just been extremely overwhelmed, and there's been just a lot of negative stuff happening, and it's kind of hard to stay positive and happy and jolly or whatever when you've got a lot of really stupid, crappy stuff going on. So I'm not gonna fake, you know, being in a great mood all the time, because I'm not, you know. I'm trying to get back there. I want to get back to that point in my life where I'm just like the person that I've known my whole life and that like my family knows, because like I'm getting to a point where I don't even like recognize myself, but I'm gonna get back there. I'm gonna get back to that point. It's just right now, it's not happening for me. Go ahead and set my face with the first under my eyes with the e.l.f. translucent setting powder. Setting your under eyes, like setting your face, makes such a difference for your makeup, because like before I set my under eyes and like my face, my skin looks so gross and like greasy, and I'm like, ew, I hate these products, but like once you set them, they look really nice. I'm going to set the rest of my face using my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder that I'm like literally out of, but I hate buying new makeup. Or I hate like replacing makeup that I already have. I'm like a hoarder, and I hold on to like makeup that's like literally gone and empty, and I'll still keep it just so I can like, just in case I need it. Just in case I completely run out and I need it, and I can just like scrape some out of it. I don't know, I'm freaking weird. Okay, now once you look like you are just like a big crust, we're there. We're getting there. Alright, so now is the eyes. So for this particular look, I don't have a palette like just with a vibrant, bright yellow color, so I kind of have to work with what I do have. For today's look, I'm for sure going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette and this e.l.f. palette that I don't know if they even make anymore. This is so old, but they have some like brighter yellow colors on the side here that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to go into this e.l.f. palette, and I'm going to take like this light yellow color over here, and I'm going to blend that into the crease just to start off the yellow. Now this palette, these are colors that you definitely have to build up, especially yellow. Yellow is a very complicated color because it takes a little bit for it to show up. But once it does and like you get the full color payoff, it looks so pretty. Since I'm going through like this sort of weird phase in my life, I've kind of like cut out all things that make me happy, which is so strange to me. Like I haven't been making videos, like I haven't been prioritizing that for whatever reason. I've cut out like attempting to take more acting classes, and like I've cut out hanging out with my friends. And I'm just like trying to figure out like why I'm doing that, because like that's the stuff that I need to be doing because that's what makes me happy. So I'm trying to do that again, and hopefully I'll keep doing it and I'll feel better. So now I'm going to be taking this second yellowish orange color right here, like this deeper yellow color, and I'm going to be doing the same thing with this color just to sort of deepen up the yellow. I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take this like orangey yellow shade, and I'm going to also apply that into the crease, but like directly into the crease. And now we're starting to see this yellow color come to life. One of those yellowish colors had like a shimmer to it, but we're fine. We're fine. Take this like deeper color right here. What is this one called? Took the shade Creamsicle, and I'm taking the shade Pukey. And I'm going to be blending this right in the outer corner. take this more like flat, dense brush, and I'm going to dig into this darker yellow shade in this e.l.f. palette. These freaking pans are so tiny. And I'm going to apply this to my lid. Gosh guys, this is seriously making me feel so much better. Why am I not making YouTube videos? Why am I neglecting my channel? And then I'm going to take that first blender brush that I used and I'm going to sort of blend out these colors. So since that yellow color is not like super intense like I want it to be, I'm going to take that first creamsicle shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to also apply this on top. If you guys aren't digging the color yellow, I recommend you buy something yellow and just put it on. Buy something that's cute and yellow and put it on, and I promise you'll probably feel differently about it. Yellow is such a beautiful color. Now I wouldn't want my entire room yellow because that's just like a lot, but like for clothing and makeup it's just so nice because number one, it makes you look really tan, and it's just also just such a nice color. It's so bright and happy, so when I'm not feeling bright or happy, like it's just a great way to fake it, you know? I'm actually going to jump into another palette. I just got this the gold Morphe palette, and I'm so happy. Because I just turned 20, guys. I'm officially an adult. I am no longer a teenager, which is, you know, I'm an adult. I'm thinking of taking like this brown right here. It's like right here on this brush, and I'm just going to plop this here. Guys, these looks are so easy, so even if you feel like you suck at makeup, these are so easy to do. Like, I'm not that great at makeup, to be honest. Like, if we're really being real here, I'm not good at makeup. Really bright. Oh, do I want it? Okay, so I just applied a yellow shimmer apparently. So I just applied this really yellowy gold. Is it what I wanted? I don't know, but you know, sometimes you just gotta go with it. I'm going to take this sort of brush and I'm gonna take that creamsicle shade and I'm gonna apply that under my lash line. Take these two top shades, which are called Enlight and Beam. I'm going to mix them together on my pinky and I'm going to put those in my inner corner. These are so pretty for the inner corner highlight. Like, please take a look. Little flat synthetic brush, and I'm going to take those same two colors and highlight my brow bone. I don't think I want to use the Physicians Formula bronzer today. I think I'm looking for more of like a glowy golden look, so I'm going to go with my Milani Baked Bronzer. I haven't used this in a while, so we'll see how it goes. But it just has like little gold like shimmers in it, and it's just pretty, so I'm going to use it and see how I like it. Like this bronzer, and then I'm going to take this big fluffy brush that I've had for 50 million years and I'm going to blend out this bronzer so it's not too intense. Now I'm going to do blush. I've been really loving a shimmery brush, but I really want to use this blush palette. This is the Makeup Revolution Ultra blush palette, and look at how pretty these blush shades are. Are you kidding me? These are highlights too. Ooh, look at that highlight. That's so pretty. I'm going to take this shade, I think, and I'm going to apply that to my cheeks. And I'm going to take this pretty shimmery blush topper. I think that's what it's supposed to be. Stunning. Alright, now I'm going to take my Sleek Makeup highlighting palette. This is the Solstice palette, and I'm gonna take this yellowy shade and I'm gonna put that on my highlighting points. This freaking highlighting palette is so gorgeous. Like, please and thank you. Bit of that and also apply that to my inner corners because it's just so beautiful. And I'm going to spray my face with the Mario Badescu facial spray. Spray a lot because, oh my gosh, because I need it. I've done that. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. And now I'm going to apply my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. All looks come together once you put on mascara. Like, before there's mascara on your face, you look like a freaking freak. But like, once you apply mascara, it just all comes together nicely. And I changed my shirt because this yellow went with this eye look a little better. That other one was more of like a sunny, like bright yellow. This is more of like a toned down, more wearable yellow, if that makes sense. And I also just applied a little bit more of a matte shadow on top of that shimmer shadow that I put on earlier, just because this is more of like the yellow that I wanted. For the final step, I'm going to go ahead and put on like a lip gloss, since that's like all the rage right now. I have all of these Soap & Glory Sexy Mother Pucker lip glosses, and I'm trying to decide which one I want to do. So I went ahead and I put on this number 7 High Shine Lip Crayon, which is really pretty. And then I'm going to go ahead. I don't usually wear lip colors, so this is like really weird for me. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply this Sexy Mother Pucker Soap & Glory lip gloss in the shade Sponge Sugar, and I'm just going to apply this over top. There we have it. This is the finished look. I think it's really pretty. I really like the yellow. This is obviously a more wearable and a more very simple look. Like, there's not a lot of dimension to this eyeshadow look. I just went for straight yellow because that's what I wanted to do. Very easy, very simple, very easy to achieve. So yeah, I hope that you guys are able to recreate this if you would like. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, like this video if you did like it, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you want to see next. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching.